Imagine arriving in Spain for a solo trip and not heading straight to busy Barcelona or Madrid. Instead, you are looking for a city where it is easy to find your way around, enjoy good food, feel safe walking at night, and never feel completely alone. Today, together with Freetour.com, we will discover underrated Spanish cities that are ideal for solo travelers. We will talk about how to match a city to your travel mood and why smaller destinations can sometimes be a better choice. Let's start with what makes a Spanish city feel comfortable. When the layout naturally guides you through the main attractions, the Old Town is compact, and the central square acts as a meeting point for both locals and visitors. It becomes much easier to feel at home, even on day one. Add pedestrian streets, tapas areas, and bars where you can simply walk in and order, and you already have the perfect evening scenario. So, now let's move into the first city. If you are looking for student city energy without the stress of a huge metropolis, Salamanca is a good place to start. It is home to one of the oldest universities in Europe, and many of its buildings are made from stone that turns golden at sunset. That is how Salamanca became known as the Golden City. The city is compact, and you begin to navigate its center with confidence within hours. To smoothly move toward a different mood, let's imagine you want your first stop in Spain to feel calm and compact. In that case, Oviedo is a great option. Its Old Town is so small that you can cross it in about 15 minutes, and the narrow streets become familiar very quickly. Just next to it is San Francisco Park, and a little further away you will find unique pre-Romanesque churches that you will not see anywhere else. Now let's imagine you love historic atmosphere and long walks. Then Girona should be on your list. The city has long been considered one of Spain's most walkable destinations for solo travel, with colorful riverside houses to help you orient yourself. On the eastern side of the river, you step into the medieval quarter, with the cathedral and one of the oldest Jewish quarters in Europe. Finally, let's transition to a city where evenings are all about warm, social energy. If you want to avoid table-for-one situations, you will enjoy Leon. Here, tapas culture is strong. You order a drink, receive a small snack with it, then move on. This format makes evenings feel relaxed and social. During the day, Leon also has plenty to offer. A cathedral with incredible stained glass and a gaudy building you would not expect to find here. To sum up, Salamanca is ideal for student energy, while Oviedo is a calm, cozy choice for a first stop. Girona works for lovers of historic quarters, and Leon is perfect for easygoing social evenings with tapas and no pressure. To make it easier, start at the central square. Order a coffee, watch the city move, and give yourself time to adjust. Instead of spending your first day on trial and error, book a walking tour with a local guide via Freetour.com. It helps you unlock the city faster. So start discovering underrated Spanish cities that match your style. Free your world with Freetour.com.